We have a little bit of a leak here. Many people were asking about this. I think they were asking you about it in a chat. The WF-1000XM4 new Sony fully wireless earbuds. This video came out, which looks like an official Sony video. And it was posted. It's still up. They didn't even bother to take it down. So they're just like, all right, we're going to introduce it soon. Just let people get a little head start on it. They're pretty cool looking. They have these like metallic elements on the outside. They have a pretty nice design language going on with the XM stuff. Like the earbuds kind of feel like the over ears. There's like a similarity there. Now people are excited because they've been so dominant. They've delivered some really amazing products in the XM lineup. And now, of course, they're on XM4 as far as the premium earbuds go. I think this video leaked in, I'm trying to figure out what that language is. Is that Dutch or German? No, I think it's Dutch. Anyway, it looked like it was going to be a promo video for that particular market. And sure enough, here we are getting the full exposure, the case. You can see like even specs, 5-minute charge for 60 minutes of listening. I think there's more specs in here too.
It's like a spatial audio feature.
Yeah, so listen to this. Industry-leading noise cancellation. The earbuds will feature Sony's integrated V1 processor, new drivers for a fuller, richer sound, support for LDAC and high-res audio, and DSEE Extreme AI technology to reproduce frequency responses in the original sound source, lost during compression. It's going to have speak-to-chat function to automatically pause playback when you start a conversation. This was the thing that the Samsung Buds were attempting to do. It was a little hit and miss in my experience. But it is a cool feature if it works. You just start talking and they pause. I love it. And, of course, it also has Sony's adaptive sound control for adjusting ambient sound. So you can really fine-tune external noises versus your music within the app. It's not just like a couple of settings. It's granular capabilities, which is kind of nice. We'll also have Google Assistant and Alexa support, wireless charging, IPX4 certification, and in total, with the charge case, 24 hours of playback with active noise canceling turned on. If you turn noise canceling off, you can get up to 36 hours of usage with the charge case. That's a lot. 36 hours. It's like a few days, Will.
It's impressive.
Of listening. Now, apparently, the previous iteration was $230. The expectation here is it'll be about $250. So it's not a cheap. It's going up against the likes of the AirPods Pro and things like that. It's not going to be an affordable one. It's going to be a premium one.